Hey guys, Captain Keith here along with Captain Nick, coming to you from St. Pete Beach, anchored up out here, answering a few of your questions. So somehow in our inbox we got a question about naming your boat and how do you name a boat and why should you name it this or why should you name it that. Now, Nick's not one to hold back, so I know he's got some really good opinions on this.
Burst a lot of happy bubbles here.
Be careful. You got a lot of customers, buddy.
If there's nothing wrong with a little bit of play on words, maybe not real, naughty gal, nautical. Sorry, you're not the first one to think of it. There's probably 1,000 of them out there. And that's another question that we get a lot too. Hey, can we name my boat something that somebody else has their name? Yeah, absolutely. There's 1,000 real deals out there. There's 100 not realies out there. If you like the name, you see another boat out there with it, nothing wrong with that. Go ahead and use it. And
I've got 3 YOLOs going in this last week. I swear, I don't know where it comes from.
YOLO's a popular one.
Have fun with it.
Yeah.
Who cares? It's your boat. Name it what you want. You know, you want to be, real naughty or real bear or this or that or whatever. It's play on words. Go have fun with it. Don't sweat it, it's your boat. And just remember though, Coast Guard's looking for you or other people got to call you on the radio, that's what they're going to be calling you. So there's some names that we can't say on this to keep it PG, but it's up to you. In actuality, a lot of these boat names really do have deep personal meaning to people. I mean, a lot of the boats I've delivered, it's named after maybe a son or a daughter that's passed away or their grandparents or they were able to afford that boat because of an inheritance or something, so they name it after them to remember them and honor them.
Speaking of naming boats, another question we get is renaming boats also.
Yeah.
Bad luck, superstition, we'll get into it in another episode. A lot of times that's done with a christening, properly naming a boat, breaking a bottle of breakable champagne over the bow, whatever it is.
Yep, don't use a real bottle.
Don't use the real bottle. That would be alcohol abuse. And
fiberglass repair.
And fiberglass repair too.
There are ceremonies, so you've got to take the old name off. Then if you have the new name put on, you've got to keep it covered until the actual christening ceremony. Any other questions you guys got, keep them coming. We'll try to get to them. And this is Captain Keith for MarineMax Clearwater. Checking out, along with my sidekick here.
Captain Nick, MarineMax St. Pete. Thanks for joining us, everybody.